Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In my previous videos, I have already shown how you can make your own wireless Roborace robot using brushed ESCs and also using Arduino and motor driver. You can get both the video links in the description box and also in the I button. If you guys want to make it and face any difficulties, just leave a comment below. So this is our recent Roborace competition. Hope you guys like it.
2, 1, go! First checkpoint here. Skip. Skip note ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ hand touch. Quick reset, quick reset. Reset assist. Pass, right? Pass. Hand touch. And out of board. Plus hand touch. Break. Checkpoint break. And stop.